Hi guys, here are the keys for the reading the United States of America, the USA. So I go immediately to the first exercise about the reference. Okay, have a look and you can freeze them. Pay attention to this, okay, because this is a whole sentence. It's not only a noun, okay, or a person or a thing, but it's a sentence. There is a double answer. There are two possibilities. Okay, go on. This is the exercise about the matching. Look, A and other and the letters, and okay, this is very important for true or false. And hi guys, here are the keys of the reading the USA. I go very quickly, so for you it's better, and it isn't worth to lose a lot of time for it. You can freeze and take your time. Okay, this is the exercise about the reference. This is the exercise about the matching. Okay, the beginning and the ending of a sentence in the text. And this is the exercise of the true or false. Okay, look at the answers here, and the sentences here, they must be complete with subject, verb, and complement. Okay. This is the fourth exercise about the yes, it's the exercise with the dictionary. Okay, a stronger, a longer exercise with the dictionary, because you have to look at every word. Maybe it can be at every word, and to be sure, at the end, you must be sure, okay, there are no other possibilities. And this is an exercise you can do 100% good, because you have time, you have the dictionary, you have the Italian translation in the dictionary, and these are numbers and letters. This is the most difficult exercise of the test, and for the answers probably I will correct them by myself, I mean with a pen, and I will give to you a personal answer about every mistake you should have made. Okay, so look at the answers. Okay, here there is always a subject, and if only the question is beginning with a verb, in this case the second, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, and so on, you have a short answer. If there are two questions, you can go on. Of course, in this case you have to, but in this case, for example, stop it, you get 2 points. But if you should have the idea, the desire to go on, remember, you can take a risk to get a penalty. Okay, these are the other answers. And okay, sorry, I didn't remember. Okay, stop. Okay, if you have any questions, please write to me by email. Bye bye.